Hello everyone. On this lesson, I'm going to show how to sketch this type of functions where you have three different domains and three different functions. We start by identifying the domains. First domain is x equals 2 and the value of the function is 0. So this is just 1 point. So this is the point 2 on the horizontal axis. The second domain are the values of x between -2 and 1, excluding -2 and including 1. And the function is a straight line, 2 minus x. To sketch this function, we can find at least 2 points, the lower bound and the upper bound of the x. So one of the points is -2, 4. The other point is the upper value of the x, which is 1, and the function is 1. So I need to plot 1, 1. So we see that the -2 is not included in the domain, so we put a circle, a white circle. And then we connect these 2 points with a line. The third domain are all the values of x between 1 and 2, excluding 1 and including the 2. The function is a straight line, so we use the lower bound of the x and the upper bound of the x. So when the x is 1, the function is -1. So 1, -1 is a point. So we plot a point 1, -1. We make it white because the -1 is not included. And the other point is that x equals 2. So the x equals 2 give you function 0. So this is 2, 0. And then this is already on the graph. And then we connect these 2 points with a line. And now we have the function on the screen. This is the lesson today. If you have any question, write a message and don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons like this one. Thank you for watching.